A change goes live. 3 operators have not completed retraining. The auditor finds it 6 months later. That sequence produces a 483 observation, and it is entirely preventable. In regulated industries, management of change is not an administrative process. Every change to a controlled procedure, a piece of equipment, or a validated system requires a formal approval workflow. Training must be confirmed before implementation. Step 4 in that process is where most regulated organizations fail. The regulatory basis is specific. For medical device manufacturers, the FDA's QMSR, effective February 2026, requires documented procedures for changes to equipment, processes, and software. For pharmaceutical manufacturers, 21 CFR Part 211.100 requires written procedures for production and process controls. ISO 13485 and ISO 9001 carry equivalent requirements. Every framework requires change control. All of them require training before go live. Most regulated organizations coordinate the training component of change control by email. A quality engineer approves the change. An email goes to the training manager. The assignment is created manually. Completion is tracked in a spreadsheet. That sequence breaks regularly, and it breaks at audit. The gap between change approval and confirmed training completion is where 483 observations are written. An investigator asks, was the operator trained on the revised procedure before running the first batch under the new process? If the training system and the quality system are disconnected, the answer requires manual reconstruction. Manual reconstruction takes days, not minutes. The auditor asks 3 questions. Was the change approved before implementation? Were affected personnel identified and assigned training? Was training confirmed complete before go live? All 3 require connected records, not 2 systems that someone manually reconciles the night before the inspection. eLeap eliminates the gap by connecting change control and training management in a single system. When a change control record is raised in eLeap, the system identifies every role affected by that change. When the change is approved, training assignments are automatically created for each affected employee. Those assignments are created before the effective date. The change cannot be implemented until training completion is confirmed. 1 system, 0 manual handoffs. Complete audit trail from change request to verified implementation. When the auditor asks, an organization running eLeap produces a 5-minute report. It connects the change record, the training assignments, and the completion confirmation for every affected operator. An organization running manual coordination spends 3 days reconstructing the same picture and hopes nothing is missing. eLeap is management of change software built for regulated industries. Automated training assignment on change approval. Implementation gated on training completion. Full audit trail from change request to verified closure in 1 system. The platform supports management of change requirements across QMSR for medical devices, 21 CFR Part 211 for pharmaceutical manufacturers, ISO 13485, ISO 9001 ICHQ-10, and EU GMP, all connected, all in 1 audit trail. See the full guide in the description. Subscribe for more compliance content that matters when the auditor arrives.